Hello, everyone. This is Keith Jackson, and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. Right now, you're looking at the second video as it relates to one-step equations. And if you recall from the previous video, we had subtraction problems, and we had to undo those subtraction problems with addition to find out what the variable was. Well, in this case, we have addition problems, and so we're going to have to use subtraction in order to find out what the variable is in these three big examples. And let's go to the first big example to find out how that it is done, keeping in mind that we have to isolate the variable in the one-step equation of p plus 24 is equal to 42. Keeping in mind again that p is the variable, and let's rewrite that equation again so we can solve for p. P plus 24 is equal to 42, and in order to get a zero on this side, we must subtract 24 from both sides. And the reason why we want to subtract 24 from both sides because 24 is on the same side of the equal sign as the letter P, keeping in mind that we have to isolate the variable, meaning that we have to get P all by itself. And so when we do that, a plus 24 minus 24 would give us 0 on this side, and 42 minus 24 would give us 18 over here. And now we have this situation of P plus 0 is equal to 18, knowing, of course, that P must equal 18, and let's prove it. Because 18 plus 24 is equal to 42, that lets us know that P is equal to 18. And let's move on to big example 2, keeping in mind we have to isolate the variable, y'all, in the one-step equation of x plus 54 is equal to 100, knowing that x is the variable and we have to isolate it. And we're going to do that by subtracting 54 from both sides because we have a positive 54 here. We have to subtract 54 to get a 0 because this number right here, 54, is on the same side of the equal sign as x, and we have to get x all by itself. That's why we're subtracting 54 from both sides. And when we do that, we have a 46 here because 100 minus 54 will give us 46. Or you could do it this way, 99 minus 54 would give us 45 plus 1, which will give us 46, all right? Just in case if you didn't want to really borrow across zeros. This is another method that you can use. Now we have this situation of x plus 0 is equal to 46, which of course means that x is equal to 46. And when we add 46 to 54, we will get 100, letting us know that x is in fact equal to 46. Let's move on to big example 3, in which we have m plus 38 is equal to 85. And we're going to isolate m as the variable because m is the variable. So we're going to rewrite this one-step equation, m plus 38 is equal to 85. And of course, we're going to subtract 38 from both sides because we want to get m all by itself. And so when we subtract 38 from 38, we get 0 here. And 85 minus 38 will give us 47. And here's our situation. M plus 0 is equal to 47, letting us know, of course, that m is equal to 47 because 47 plus 38 will give us 85, letting us know that m is equal to 47. Okay, you have been given a lot of information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at the three big examples. Or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.